Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi. Thank you for joining me on Kemi's Choice. I wanted to share with you how I put on these nails, and I got these press-on nails from Amazon, and I really just wanted to try something that was a bit, easy to use. I do have naturally, like, my nails do grow long, but the thing that I kind of struggle with is keeping like nail polish on for a long time. I've tried the shellac nails before. Those are definitely long lasting, but then I have to go back into the store to get them removed, and I just don't have time for that. So I really just want, something I can change up whenever I want, and I can do it myself. And I got these ones for $16, and it actually came in a pack just like this, and inside it's very simple packaging, nothing to it, and it has got different colors. I picked this because of the price and the fact that it came with 6 different colors of the nail. So I went with the medium almond shape. So these nails are almond shaped. So there's this like mauve pink, there's a gray color, and there's this dusty or really light pink shade, almost a beige color. And then there is also this burgundy as well as the black, and there is a dark, like a navy blue color. So these are like really good options, because personally I like to use darker colors on my nails, especially when they're long, and maybe when they're short I can use a light color nails. And these ones came with something which is different from the ones that I tested last time. And these came with these, I believe these are like stick-on adhesive tabs. So they come in different sizes, and you would need to peel off and then stick onto your finger. I think then you would remove the protective film and then stick the nails onto it. One more thing that these came with is this really hard, it's almost a glass nail file. I think these are great for filing the nails in case you just wanted to smooth things out or anything like that. I already worn these blue ones and they were absolutely beautiful. They actually lasted me 2 weeks. I would say 2 weeks was the maximum. About day 10, some of them started to come off, and then like by the second final end of the next week, I just took them all off. But I actually really liked them because they lasted more than a week, so that was really good. And I think that's all down to perhaps these, I don't know. So let's go ahead and prep for these. And I'm gonna go into my manicure set and just first of all cut my nails. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut my nails, and I just cut them to about this length. I'm gonna use this and just clean it up. Not to shape or anything, it's really just to smooth out what I've cut. Okay, so now that that's all done, I'm just going to go ahead and use a cuticle pusher, which is what everybody says you should do, to just push back my nails, or push back my cuticles, not my nails.
It's the home producer.
This is really embarrassing because I'm not sure why. It's just so flaky and so dry. So I typically do my manicure by myself at home, and I just got a nail set. I think it was from Walmart or Superstore for, I don't know, maybe $7 or less. I'm not too sure now. Or maybe $11, because I remember standing there for a really long time trying to find a cheaper alternative. I just ended up going with the one that was probably about $10 or something like that. But so, everything you need. There's 2 nail cutters, these utensils and tools, and all the brushes and nail files and everything in there. So I thought, yeah, you know what, this is what I'm gonna need. Just stop looking for cheap things. Okay, so guys, there's one last step I forgot to show you in this video, but it's absolutely important that you buff your nails. So I've got this 4-step buffer. They come in different styles, but it's very important that you do that just to make sure that your nail beds are smooth and clear of any oils that are going to affect the adhesive. So do not forget this step. I forgot to include it, but don't forget it. Okay. So what I've done is I've gone in and saved the numbers as I found them from the last time. So the next time that I want to do the nails, it will be much easier for me to find the colors and the numbers that match my nail size. But the first time you might need to do some, investing of time to find the correct numbers for you. So I've got the numbers, so I've just got to search for the nails and just arrange them. Perfect, so I found all my matches. Time like that took me less than 5 minutes to find. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the pack and just pick a tab pack, right? So yeah, I'm just going to find one that suits. So you don't want one that's too wide because then the nail is going to just like be lifted and sitting awkwardly. So each one of these have a protective film over the entire thing that you can peel off, but this is not sticky yet because each single thing has got its own protective film as well. So that's the sticky side and I'm holding onto the tab. Press this onto my nail and then just peel off the tab. Can get a bit messy, but they've put like cuts so that you can like pull it out even from different sides. So that's, and then I got my nail, and then I'm just gonna make sure that it's right on all sides because this sticky tab is quite strong. Boom, that's done. There's a little tiny bit of a lift at the end, but I don't know if there's any way to avoid it because of the thickness of the adhesive tab. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and carry on doing the rest of the nails.
It's Silas, the marvelous producer.
Okay, so I definitely want to mention that once you have the nails on one hand, especially if it's your less dominant hand, it's really difficult to grab anything. I'm trying to be careful not to make a mess of the adhesive, and now I can't really grab stuff properly with my left hand. Yeah, things are slowing down quite a little bit, so just struggling there. The adhesive is actually really strong. I'm just trying to make sure it's nicely centered. I'm definitely not used to artificial nails, so this is taking a little bit of getting used to. And I'll be fine like with my day-to-day because I've done this before. Okay, there we go. Alright, that was a struggle and a half, but we made it. I think this is great if you've got somewhere you're going and you don't really have time to pop to the nail shops, but you can definitely change up your look like that, like really quickly, and it's all done. So I'm just going to moisturize my hands so that we look a little bit more decent and put together, and that is this video. So not to worry, even though I've just moisturized and it might look like I have changed the finish of the nails, they will dry back to the material that it is, which is matte. and it is so beautiful. You can definitely file this. Yeah, this is it right out of the pack. I didn't reshape it, and I didn't use all of it. I've still got a lot left, even though these aren't my exact nail shape. Some of them actually had duplicates of the exact same size in here. So yeah, I think it's a really good option if you wanted to just get started or try out press on nails that you can do by yourself at home. It's really quick, and what makes it quick and easy is these adhesive tabs. So that I would rate this a 9 out of 10 for affordability and, you know, ease of application. So obviously they cannot get every single, like the shape of everybody's nails correctly. You can see that some of these nails are too narrow for my own nail bed. Like, look at that. But that's because it's not wide enough. But I think that was the best fit for my nails. Other than that, that is everything. Looks beautiful. I will try to leave the link to these ones in my description bar. I live in Canada, so I don't know if the seller is available in UK or, you know, other parts of the world. Overall, it's not a waste of money at all because this is $16.99. Divide that by 6, we are at $3 or less, under $3 per pack. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up, and, you know, down there give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. You can leave me a comment, or any questions you have about these nails, you can let me know for sure, and I'll catch you again in my next one. Bye.